Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning clipboard history on or installing a manager so you can actually view past copies. On Windows, go to Settings, System, Clipboard, and toggle Clipboard History. Once done, press Win+V to open the panel. On Mac or iOS, download a reputable clipboard app and allow access to clipboard and accessibility if required. Make sure to sign in or permit syncing so items persist across devices. This setup step creates the history you'll review next. Once your history exists, open the viewer and inspect entries to understand what's saved. On Windows, press Win+V, then scroll or search. On clipboard apps, use the search box, filters, or categories to narrow results. You can paste any item directly from the list into your current app, pin frequently used snippets so they won't be purged, and delete sensitive entries immediately. Make sure to check sync status if you expect items from another device. This is where organization and selective retention happen. To finish, secure or clean your history and confirm settings so future copying behaves as expected. Delete or clear history for privacy or disable the feature when not needed. If you don't see copied items, make sure the clipboard feature or app has proper permissions, is allowed to run in background, and that syncing is enabled if required. If problems continue, restart the device, reinstall the clipboard manager, and then re-enable history. This often resolves permission or caching issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.